This is an odd store. Oh, wow.
Hello.
Hi.
How are y'all?
We're okay.
Good. Let me know if y'all have any questions.
Okay.
You got turtle.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Are those snappers?
No.
Just regular turtle. Does he have a name?
I do not know their names.
Oh,
There's three of them in there.
Names, but they don't respond to the names, so I make a note that to remember them.
Turtle 1, 2, or 3.
They don't do much.
I don't see the other two. Oh, there's the
One
other
there,
one.
one there, and one on the side.
Oh.
He's hanging out on the side. He's like, yeah, I'm fat and lazy.
This is a church, guys. Was a church, yeah. Was a church, but not anymore. Now it's a store. I just spotted this too, and I was like, I want to go there. It's a nice little gift shop. It's up in Akron, Ohio, on an East Turkeyfoot Road. But it's a church. This building is a church. Oh, look at this. You guys gotta stop here. It's got some new Yeek stuff. What are you looking at, honey?
Look at this.
Yeah, there you go. This is a lovely, lovely gift shop right here, guys. Oh, look at the candles. Honey, they got candles over here. This one's $12, and it's cotton candy, honey. Cotton Candy Cafe. The monkey paw.
Since like the middle of 2018.
Ooh. So you guys wasn't open very long then.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Especially in a building of a church.
Yeah.
That is neat. I just spotted this place too on the map, and I was like, we're just up the road of it, so I might as well stop and look around. Check this out. The Harry Potter books. You can go up there. Oh, you guys gotta check this out. This is a nice little gift shop here. See what the prices are on these. There we go. Now, there's no animals in these fish tanks or exhibits. But this one does. Say hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hi. Oh, look at this one right here. He's sleeping right now. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That one came right up to me. Look at that. Hi. There's a fish right there. Some paintings. Yeah, you guys need to come and check this out. Just gotta be careful though. I don't wanna treasure chest. There you go. This is a neat place, guys. I mean, I've never had a gift shop at a church before. Here's the kids' stuff right here.
Oh no, we refer to that one as what you would call this, the C word that you would call this.
He's being silly.
And also, it's not gonna change music because I haven't played it yet. Yeah.
Thing in the background, you get another person.
Yeah.
And they go, do this, and both of them start going nuts, arguing with each other.
Oh.
Yeah, we walk on, you know, live on TikTok,
Yeah.
there's two of them arguing.
Yeah.
On each other's name, I'm like, okay.
These are for games. Hey, honey, did you see the fish? Did you see the fish?
No, there's pictures.
It's up there.
Yeah, I see him up there swimming around.
He's mad. Like I said, I do gift shops and everything. Wow. It's just oh, they're so cute.
Shimmering paws. What a breeze.
This is neat. I like this place. There's so much stuff in here. It's pretty cool. I like gift shops like this. You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm waiting on you.
Okay. You guys need to check this gift shop out. Please subscribe if you're new. And this is on Akron, Ohio. So you guys need to check this gift shop out. It is totally cool. So you guys take care and have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Later.